and I probably can make like $100 profit if out of just nothing right now. So I'm gonna look into it and see what I get, guys.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control.
What's up, family? So I'm about to go do some retail arbitrage. I got another challenge. Okay? But before I get to that, guys, I want to show you, I'm shipping all the stuff that I had here that was over here in my last video. If you guys haven't seen that last video of my haul, I'll post a link to it right here so you can check out the haul I had right here. It's around 20 bucks. 20 bucks to ship all of this stuff in. I got one box that weighs 38 pounds. This one right here. Cause that, no, it's not that one. That was too easy. Yeah, this one. Because it had that, remember that that 10-pound weight I found? The ankle weight, so it's in that box, guys. But yeah, and this was all one shipment, but I split the shipment into two. So yeah, guys, I'm about to take this haul to UPS, drop it off, it's ready to go, then it's right back on the grind. I got some change over here because I had to get something from the grocery store, right? So whatever I have here is what I'm spending today in the Goodwill. I'm gonna make sure I make more than what I spent. So what do we have here? What do we have here? I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna stick to it this time because I'm not even gonna bring any more money out. Just to really stick to it. All right, so I got $8 here and some change. All right, so this is what I'm spending. I'm going to the Goodwill or the Thrift Shop, one of the two, right? And I'm just gonna take. This is all I'm taking. This is it. That's all I'm taking, and I'm gonna make more than what I spent today. And today I brought a kombucha, and what else did I buy? I bought a kombucha, which is just a really nice probiotic drink, by the way. This is just my change I have left. I don't know how much money I had in my pocket at the time, but this is all I have left. So I'm going to take that to the Goodwill or the Thrift Shop or a bargain store or the Salvation Army or somewhere, and I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to make more than $5.50 on my profits, and I'm going to make some, and pay for all my groceries today that I bought. All right, guys, let's go. Okay, family, so I just pulled up at the thrift store. Now I would have rather went to the Goodwill, but there's so much traffic right now, and it's on the other side of town, that I'm just gonna go to the thrift shop, which is close to me, and yeah, hopefully we can find something that I spend this on, and which is what, $8 and a little bit of change. Let's just say $8. Hopefully I can find something for $8 to get my profits, to make some money and to cover what I spent today. Alright, guys, so that's the plan. I got my little nugget with me. She's in the back. She was just crying, so hopefully she's calm in the store as well. She gets a little aggravated sometimes with daddy. So yeah, let's go in and let's flip this. Let's go, family. Let's get in here. We're gonna find some profits right now. Let's go. Alright, family, so it is absolutely freezing out here tonight. We just got back from inside. I was gonna film, but you guys don't understand how hard it is to film with when I have my nugget and she's crying and I'm trying to scan and hold the camera. It's just a lot by yourself. But this is what I picked up, family. I spent $6, so I didn't even spend the whole $8. Yep, that's only, oh, you guys can't even see in there. Hold on. Yeah, you guys can't really even see in there, but yeah, there you go. I spent $6 on that, family. It's DVDs, a bunch of DVDs. Now, you guys know what you guys thinking, like, what, Lavar, DVDs? All right, so basically, I couldn't find anything for $8 in the budget that was gonna pay, you know, 100% ROI plus what I spent today. So what I did was I found some DVDs. Now, they fit the budget of $8. I only spent $6 on all of these DVDs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 DVDs in there, and she gave them to me for 50 cents a piece. I said, okay, if I come back, she's working out a deal with me to where I think she said I can get any DVD I want for 25 cents when I come back, like, and I get a lot more, 25 cents. I'm gonna get it even lower because I know I'm good at that. So I'm gonna get it for 10 cents. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm trying to do. But yeah, for these ones, they're all over $1. I mean, some of them are $3. The highest one I seen was $3 and something, like $3.20 or something like that. I was like, whoa. So I'm gonna check these on eBay as well. But just on Declutter, I already made 100% ROI on what I just spent, guys. These are $1 a piece, and she gave them to me for 50 cents a piece. And like I said, there's some in there that's $2, like a couple of $2 ones, a couple of $3 one, a couple of $2 ones, and the rest like $1 and some change. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna check them out when I get to the house. But yeah, let's get to the house because it is freezing out here, family. My bad I couldn't take you in the store today. It's just my daughter, she was really she's not really feeling it today. I'm gonna see y'all at the house. Let's go. Don't mind the music in the background. My daughter's watching TV. But here is the pile that I just got from the thrift store. All of these are over $1. Over $1. Some of it, like a couple of them are $3. I thought I only found one that was $3. There's like 2 or 3 in here that are $3. Yeah, I think 2 of them over $3, and then a couple over $2, and the rest are all over $1. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scan them again on eBay this time, and if they're making me a profit on eBay, then I'm just gonna put them in this pile, my eBay pile. Now, all of these are already the ones that have been at my house that I'm gonna make like 20 bucks on, 15 bucks on a few of these. Those are all the ones that over here. All the ones over here I'm gonna send to declutter. So if they can't make me an eBay profit, then I'm just gonna put them in the declutter pile. Alright, and I already know, I just scanned, which one was it? This one right here is gonna make me about 15 bucks on eBay, I think 15 or 20. They were selling for 20. Mind you guys, I bought all of these for 50 cents. So now I know there's 2 in here already that I know are gonna make me 15 to 20 bucks on eBay. And then just subtract the eBay fees, which is like 15% of the total cost. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now, fam. And then once I get the piles done, that's pretty much what I'm doing. Tomorrow, I think I may actually send in the stuff over there, because to be honest with you guys, it really doesn't matter when you send it, because you don't have any fees with declutter. All you do is you put them together, you put them in a box, you tell them you're ready to ship. They'll give you they'll email you a printing label. You stick it on the box and you send it in. So there's really no fees for anything else. Like there's no subscription fee. There's no fees for shipping. Once you print the label, they pay for it, so it'll be paid for. You just drop it off at UPS like you would drop off your Amazon boxes, guys, and that's just it. So I mean, there's really no reason to wait. I honestly, now that I think about it, I'm just gonna do like every 15 bucks I make with declutter, I'll just send it in 15 bucks, you know, and just have them send me my money to PayPal. Now that's exactly what I'm gonna do now. But I'm excited because I should make, to be honest, I think a lot of these are gonna be on eBay, and I probably can make like 100 bucks profit if out of just nothing right now. So I'm gonna look into it and see what I get, guys. I just wanted to show you guys the basket that I did in the thrift store. So if I click, you see it's still trying to scan something, but I have nothing else to scan right now. But here's the basket. This is everything I scanned with a profit in the thrift store. So if I touch the basket, it'll show me $36 in profits, right? Well, that's the value, actually. I can't say really profits. But 52 items I scanned, and honestly, it was more than, it was like 50%, guys. Probably, no, honestly, probably more than 50%. If there were more winners than there were losers, they probably have 100 more DVDs, like 1,000 CDs. Like it's insane in there. So I'm definitely going back, and she has on the wall that she's gonna sell them for $1, well 98 cents. But for me, she took them down to 50 cents. Only because I got a small amount today, but she told me that she'll sell them to me for 25 cents, but I'm going to even try to get it lower. I'm going to walk in there and say, listen, I'll buy them all right now, not even scan them, I'll just take them all if you give them to me for 10 cents a piece. So that's what I'm going to try to do, guys. I'm going to try to get them all for 10 cents a piece, but let's look in here. You see, there's a lot of them. Look, there's one 5 cents. That's horrible, right? But this is why I said 10 cents a piece. 39 cents, 20. Let's start at the top. You see anything you see $1 and more, I'm definitely those are the ones I bought. Anything you see $1 and more, I bought those. Those are the ones I have now. So you see $1.43, $1.21, then 5, 39, 27, 5, 26, $3.92, guys. Look at that. $3.92, $2.57, guys. And I got both of these for 50 cents each. So that's over 100% ROI. 30 cents, 36, 12, 24, $2.70. Once again, I got it for 50 cents. 20 cents, 54 cents, 32, 28, 48, 3, 12, 5, 52. Another $3.13, guys. $3.13. Another one. I got it for 50 cents. Another $2.15. Got it for 50 cents. Another $1.75. $1.25. Another $2 right there. 50 cents, 20, 17. Another $1.58. $1.60 right there. Let's go, guys. You see? So yeah, and then the rest are like 20, 40, 50 cents and up. Alright, family, I think that's about a wrap for today's vlog. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. It is officially Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. I hope you guys have a good one, fam. If you're not family already and you just seen us for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button to become a part of the strongest family, of course, and hit the bell to get notified when I make another upload, because that is on the daily. But yeah, guys, I'm too tired to even be goofy right now. I'm about to go to bed. Peace and love. Happy Thanksgiving.